What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully each and every one of you guys is having a great and amazing day. If it's your first time stopping by, go ahead and smash the subscribe button. Follow me on both of my social media links, both Instagram and Snapchat, to be the first to know exactly when my videos go live. My car's not cold, but the start up always just sounds so good. So let's get a start up. Love it. Alright, so as you guys saw in one of my previous videos, about 2 videos ago, you saw that I took my car into Ford because I had an issue with the trunk handle, I guess you could call it. That's what they're calling it. The little, the little pad on the hatch. It's not opening up my car, so I took it to Ford, and pretty much they said it worked just fine. For the past 3 months, I haven't been able to open my trunk with it. So I told them, hey, look, go take a look at the other vehicles in the lot, because they were telling me you have to touch it in a certain spot to make it work. And before it would be anywhere on the pad, and as you guys know, it would just open right up. So I told them, go take a look at one of the other vehicles on the lot. Any hatchback Focus should have it. And sure enough, they went and checked it out, and they pressed the button and it opened right up. And they went back and checked my car and it wouldn't work at all. I'm like, well, what a coincidence. I wasn't lying. I brought it in because it didn't work. So they ordered the part, told me it would take a few weeks for it to come in because it's out of stock. So I'm waiting for that to come in so I can get the car back to the dealership and have them inspect it and change it out. They said it should take about half a day or so. Nothing major. I just wanted to pop in and give you guys a little bit of an update on what was going on with that situation. With the seat, they said that it looked like a puncture, but I see a lot of you guys posting on the forums that your seats are ripping and they're getting it replaced under warranty. So I decided, well, let's just open up a warranty claim regardless of what the technician believes. Send it to Ford. So they submitted pictures to Ford. I'm waiting to hear back from Ford now to see if they'll cover the seat. Believe it or not, just the cover alone, if you purchase a seat cover from Ford, is something ridiculous, like $2,300. That's not the cushion, that's just the leather. I was a little shocked about hearing the price, but if they don't cover it, needless to say, I won't be purchasing another seat. I would rather go with aftermarket seats first. Or I guess I could just bring it to an upholster and have them take a look at it and see what they can do with it. Hopefully they could get the same kind of material. I believe it's like an Alcantara material. Hopefully they can get it. I'm sure they can. If they can, I'm sure it's going to be much cheaper than $2,300 or even a replacement aftermarket seat. Alright, so that's going to conclude today's video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you have, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. The reason behind today's video was just to keep you guys in the loop on what's going on with my warranty claim through Ford. So far, the hatch has been approved. Still not sure on the seat. It's an ongoing investigation with Ford on the seat. Obviously, the handle just failed, so it's going to be a replacement, no questions asked. For those of you that are having issues with the seat or the handle, please drop a comment in the comment section below. Let me know how it went for you guys. And of course, guys, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing. And follow me on both of my social media links, both Snapchat and Instagram, to keep up with what's going on with the RS and the channel and be the first to know exactly when my videos go live. Until next time, I'm checking out.
Yeah, boy.